Understanding rivers. Rivers perform crucial roles, carrying water to oceans, forming clouds, and replenishing Earth's fresh water supply through the water cycle. All rivers share common features and stages. They begin at the source, flow downhill, receive water from tributaries, and end at the mouth. The force of gravity creates the river's current. It carves and shapes landscapes, moves boulders and forms valleys, rapids, and waterfalls. Rivers meander, deposit sediments, form fertile floodplains, slow down and form deltas near their end, a journey varying in each river.